Gonna show you this Nikko 84 or whatever year it's supposed to be now, Trans Am made by Nikko. And this is a modified body. This is not the same one that I showed you like a few days ago. This is a different one. The guy who sold this said it wasn't working. He said only the steering works. But I'm gonna try to fix it, and then I'm gonna try to drive it and see if I can get it to run again, because he sold it cheap on the fact that it doesn't run properly. Hey guys, remember that 84 Pontiac Trans Am that I got, made by Nikko? Well, I was able to find a second one. This one had a custom body. It's made out of a Lexan body, as you can see. So the guy customized it a little bit, and he fastens the body in with 2 screws up here and 2 screws back here. Anyways, the guy sold it for pretty cheap because he said it wasn't working. He said it only turns. So what I did was I took off the body, and I started screwing things on tighter, just playing with the wires. So eventually, I think I got it running again. Let's see. So let's see. Left, and here's left turn. What? Left turn, right turn. And he said it doesn't run. Oh shoot, really? I cut. Alright, so I had a little trouble there. I started pushing these things back in through the this back area. Forward and reverse. Now, I'm gonna set it down. Just test it really quick. This antenna is loose, whatever. Left and right. And this does have digital proportional speed, so it can go fast. A little slide. So it definitely runs. I'm gonna put the body on now. Just gonna put this thing back up here. Put all these screws back in. Got the body on. Oh, that little sweet turn. So again, yeah, this is the digital proportional speed and steering. These tires are really slick. It's awesome on this really slick surface. See that? When I lock up the wheels. But this thing is very temperamental. Like, whenever this guy customized this body, yeah, he screwed up a lot of the wires on the circuitry. So sometimes this runs, sometimes it doesn't. So if I ever do film this, it's going to be very temperamental. And in order to fix it, I have to remove the body, which means I have to unscrew it. Like right now, it just stopped working. There, now it's back to working again. Considering that this was made in, what, 1985 or 1986, and that it's been customized, modified, and still runs, that's pretty crazy. Alright, focus on this wheel, watch this. You see that little spin? Mm-hmm. Whoa, that donut, you see that? Alright, that's good. Hey, I just want to stress the fact that this is not the same Trans Am that I showed you from a few videos ago. That car is still in its original form. I am getting it slightly modified, but this is a different car. But yeah, look at the body. It's actually pretty good, but they definitely got like a Lexan body and then just given all these different racing stickers on it. And whereas the 84 Trans Am that I have is band 1 frequency, this one's band 3. And let me see what year this one was made in. Because they made 2 different Trans Am from Nikko. This one was made in 1985, made in Singapore. Mine was made in Japan, I believe. Body is really nice though, considering that's a Lexan body. I might do something with this body, but because it's already off it, and because I don't have to worry about the lighting system getting messed up, this one doesn't have anymore, I might try a different body on this too, just to see where I can take it for, you know, an RC short story video. These wheels are irreplaceable though, they're very nice. Anyways, what do you guys think of this? Do you like it? It's very rare. Very rare.